back to my channel. Today we have BoxyCharm Base Box. So this of course is for the month of July, and if you don't know about BoxyCharm, which I think most people know at this point, it is $25 per month for the base box. And we're going to go ahead and get into it. I haven't looked in, so I don't know what I got yet. Alright, so here is the themed card that's always on the inside. And of course on the back, all the products and the information about the products. So, I'm a little nervous, but let's see what I got. First thing we got here is 111 Skin. This is the NACY2 Pollution Defense Booster, a daytime booster to fortify your skin against harmful aggressors of the digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue, light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. Okay, so this is supposed to retail for $135. Okay. Yeah, I don't know about that, but let's see what the actual container looks like. Okay. I mean, it is glass, it is nice. I don't know about $135 worth, but I'm definitely going to use it and find out. Next thing I have here is Grace and Stella Eye Mask. Okay, it is $21. It's an anti-wrinkle and energizing eye mask, and there's supposed to be 12 pairs in here. Suffering from dark circles, puffy eye bags, fine lines, and general fatigue around your eyes? Perk them up as if you've just had 8 hours of sleep with these eye masks. They revitalize, rejuvenate the tired eyes, leaving you looking more awake and youthful. Okay, I could use that. I definitely have some eye wrinkles that are starting to happen, so we'll see how that does on my midlife eyes. Okay, next thing we got here is a eyeliner, because I never get those in a box. This is Dose Fierce and Fine Graphite Pen. This retails for $21. It's a deeply pigmented and waterproof graphic eyeliner that is easy and effortless to apply. The design of the felt tip applicator allows you to create either a thick or thin line depending on the amount of pressure used during the application. Okay, so I'm not opening this up yet because at some point I'm probably going to use it, but I'm trying to use up the eyeliners I have open, so I'm just going to set this aside for now. The next thing we have here is Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil, an ultra precise brow pencil designed to impact the thinnest hairline strokes for microblade worthy effects without the blade. The 1.4mm tip provides complete control for naturally defined brows, and this retails for $28. And that is the packaging. And I'm going to pull it out of the box. I can say I probably won't keep this because I don't do well with microblade type products, just because I'm just not a wizard at doing eyebrows. But that is what the pencil looks like. This is very thin and sleek looking, so I do like the packaging. I do think this is really pretty, and this is for dark brunette. So I'm going to stick this into the fall giveaway, so if you are paying attention to that, this will be in that. So the last thing in here is the Festival Palette by Pure. So this is Festival 2.0 eyeshadow, retails for $36. Get into a state of intense euphoria with this shimmer-infused 12-piece pressed pigment palette that instantly coats lids in a dreamy, irresistible color that shines. Fully loaded with striking light reflective formulas, these cruelty-free pigments come complete with matte and transition shades. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what they look like. Okay, so this is the palette out, and that is the colors. I don't know if I want to keep this or not. I feel like I have a lot of colors that are very, very similar. But you know what? You know what? I think I might keep it because, like, I don't want to give you guys something that's falling apart. And this shade right here is falling apart a little bit. So I'm going to keep this. This looks like a pressed glitter because it's not really swatching. Yeah. So I'm going to swatch these real quick and we'll see. I can't say that I have high hopes just seeing that one shade, but let me swatch them and I will be right back. Okay, so these are the colors swatched. I can't say that these colors are unique to my collection. Maybe unique to one palette that is in my collection, but not necessarily unique. I'm pretty sure I have colors very similar and close to this in other palettes, so I ain't gonna lie, not super excited about that. And I'm bothered by the fact that this shadow right here was all puffy and stuff. I'm not really sure how I feel about that, because like if you look at it on my finger, it's like very grainy, so it's like I don't know if it's supposed to be like a glitter or a shadow or how you're supposed to use it, because like I don't know, it's kind of, I guess it rubs on kind of smooth the more you do it, but like first application isn't the greatest. But it does have a wet look, so it might be alright. I really don't know. I guess I'll try my first impressions look and try to stick all the shades on and see what happens, right? Alright, so let me know what you think of this box. What was your favorite product? If you liked this video, please do not forget to like and subscribe if you would like to see more content like this. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.